Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
In the Windows 10, you cannot write anything in the search box. So how to fix that? First, we'll use PowerShell with run as administrator. For that, you right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager. Here you need to run a new task. You write down here PowerShell and click here to get the administrative privilege, then press OK. So here you need to use this command. This is in my description box, you can check it out and copy from there and put it in your PowerShell command prompt, then hit enter. So this is done. Then you can close your PowerShell. Then you can go to your search and try to write something and check. If this one is not working, then you need to press Windows plus R button. Here you need to type this one. This is also in my description box, you can check it out and press enter. Then you can try again. Here try to write something, search. Okay, in this way you can try in a PC. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.